This edition of Drift, I'll be telling you how we secured Canadian study permits in few days. Now, I don't just want to exaggerate, but 2 days after our biometrics was done for two candidates. One came out yesterday, the 18th of May, the other one on the 5th of May. Two successive visas in 1 month. There are others also that came out 7th of March and another in January. From the last time I made a video on step-by-step on how to process your Canadian study permit. We've obtained a lot of visas. So I'll show you the 5 most important things that was done. Number 1, your letter of explanation or your study plan or what we call statement of purpose. Ensure that a professional writes it for you. If you want to apply and you don't know how to write it, please, I'd like you can contact me. I'll be able to help you in writing your letter of explanation. Make sure, do not do trial and error. I have a video on how to write it. If you've watched it and you know you cannot do it, you can also contact me. The second and most important thing is your proof of funds. Your proof of funds. These are the documents you need to use to back up your proof of funds. First of all, show that you're earning a salary. Show that you have a business. How do you show that you have a business? Have payment orders. Have payment orders. For people that I guide, there are things I show them on how to make their proof of funds very rich and undeniable. So have payment orders, show a company certificate that you have a company, a side business that you're doing, and then also show your pay slips for the past 6 months and your bank statements. They know how to calculate it. How do you calculate it? Ensure that you have your 1 year, your tuition fee, your 1 year living expenses, your flight fees, and then I think that's all. Just ensure that it's not below the mark. You can do extra. So that's how you calculate it. Then the third document that you have is what I added is what we call the affidavit of return. Very important. You go to the High Court and swear an affidavit that you're going to return to Nigeria. Then the fourth document is original landed property that shows home ties. Original landed property. Ensure that you have get a lawyer to write your power of attorney, your deed of assignment, deed of transfer, whatever, and ensure so that you show that you legally possess a landed property. Then the fifth one is ensure that you show career progression. Career progression, very important. Do not read business and business management and then you are going to be engineering in your masters. You know, one of the things you should know is that the universities will always give you admissions because they want money. But the visa officer, you cannot convince him. He wants to show that you have career progression. You have worked for a number of years, and then you want to go and advance your career. You want to go and become a master in that career. If you want to get notifications, hit the like buttons or the notification button so that you will know when I post related content to study travel opportunities and other opportunities in Canada. Thank you. Until I come your way next time.